Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The Margao Additional Sessions Court has acquitted all 5 accused who were charged for murdering 24-year-old Moti Dongor resident Anwar Shaikh on 27th December 2019. The acquitted accused are Nagraj Naikar, Jagesh Metti, Sadashiv Metti, Basuraj Kaddi and Manjunath Metti. Acquitting all the accused, the trial court has held that the prosecution has failed to connect the chain of events. The trial court has pointed out a serious lapse on part of Margao police that they did not conduct identification parade of all the accused, and due to this, court did not rely on the deposition of the witnesses in the matter due to lack of identity. The court has also observed that this case was highly relied on the 3 supposed eyewitnesses, but out of 3, 2 eyewitnesses were turned hostile as they said that they did not identify the accused as they left the scene of crime. The court finally observed that benefit of doubt must be given to the accused and prosecution has failed to prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. Hence, on the ground of benefit of doubt, all the accused are acquitted in this matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.